In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter into safe mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you're unable to boot into Windows, just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, meaning turn on your computer, press the power button to do a hard power off, and then just repeat that 3 times, and that should launch a troubleshooting menu. If you are able to boot into Windows, you would select the search button or the Windows Start button and select the power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. You can release pressure on your keyboard once it says please wait. And then at this point where it says choose an option, select troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select restart. And then at this point you can tap the F4 or function 4 key to enable safe mode or enter into safe mode, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.